Kia ora e te whānau, ko Peeni Henare tēnei. Hea te take e ngākau nui te anau ki tō tātou reo. What makes me so passionate about te Reo Māori? One, because it tells the stories of our people. And that's important because we are traditionally an oral people. So we pass down stories, and it doesn't have to be ancestor stories. Geez, it could be the story about our whānau at a barbecue or our Christmas time or a holiday that we've had as a whānau. Secondly, it's the fulfillment of the conversation that my grandfather left us, Sir James Henare, who said, ko te reo te kākahu o te whakaaro, me te huarahi ki te ao tūroa o te hinengaro. Language is the adornment of the thoughts and the pathway to the inner depth of your mind. In other words, it's the best way to communicate what it is you're feeling or what it is you're trying to talk about. So I believe in those 100%. And, you know, ka tae ki te wiki o te Reo Māori, ko tae ki te wā ki te whakatinana. When we come to Māori Language Week, it's time to fulfill that. It's time to practice Māori. It's time to be Māori. It's time to share our taonga. Kia ora tātou.